Today we're gonna bring a little toy for a cat. Look at her. She's eyeing it already. I haven't even started playing with it. And she's eyeing it already. Now this thing has a power on and it does contain batteries, smaller batteries. And it tells you this. No, Toby, this is not for you, Toby. Toby wants a little toy. He thinks it's his too. But this is not for him. Now this one comes with a remote control. Left and right, spin, right? No, back and forward, right? And then spin. Now this dog thinks it's his, but it's really the one back there. Look at her. She's looking at it. So let's see how she likes it.